Hello everyone, my name is Azan and I am an assistant engineer at Balkan Cloud Hosting. Today I will show you how to transfer files to your host. Go to Google and install WinSCP. If you can't find it on Google, there is a link in the description of this video. After that, go back to the host and enter the settings. Then go and press Launch SA-MTA and click Open. Then write the password from your host. After you have written the password, just press Open. As you can see, here are all your files that you have on the host. Go and find the script you want to upload. All you need to do is drag and drop it into WinSCP like I did now. Now you just have to wait for the script to transfer to the host. This part may take a while. It all depends on your upload speed. After you have inserted the script on the host, all you need to do is go back to the panel and find the server, CFG. All you need to do is write ensure and the name of your script. When you have done all that, you can start the server and enter it. As you can see, the script I inserted works. Thank you for watching and be sure to visit our Discord server Discord. GG Balkan Cloud.